How to convert normal video to green screen video. So if you want to convert a normal video to a green screen video, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you're under your CapCut, now go with new project, and under new project you just need to simply select a video that you would like to use for the green screen. Once you've selected, go with add, which will be on the bottom. Once you've selected, now you just need to simply tap on it and then swipe right, and then go with remove BG and go with auto removal, and it will remove your background. Now go with the tick, which is on the right side, and once you've done with that, now what you need to do is just go back and swipe right, go with background option. Once you go with background, now you just need to simply go with color, and under color you just need to simply select the green color. Once you've selected the green color, go with tick, which is on the bottom right, and if you play the video, then you will have the green screen video. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.